Join my attempt at curry coconut chicken pasta. Let's get started. First, we're going to add some black pepper, some salt, a little bit of curry, just a little, not a lot, of whatever desired brand curry you would take. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper for some heat. And we're going to massage that in. Curry is a nice flavor and a nice dish. So this is my attempt at making a coconut curry pasta with chicken being the main protein. So after everything is coated with this little seasoning, we're going to just rest this for a time, whether it be 20 minutes to a half an hour, just so that it can soak in, because this is quick and easy. My pot of choice for this curry is a Dutch pot, which every Jamaican home should have one, or if you're at least from the Caribbean. So right now I'm going to add my oil to my pot. Now we're going to add some garlic. And we're going to add the curry to the pot because you have to first burn your curry. I'm going to add some pimento seeds because that's good. So we're going to just make it burn. And also burnt garlic gives food a totally different flavor from just having it just being garlic itself in the raw state. You could add ginger to this mix too. So we're just making sure that it's burnt, but not too burnt. As I said, garlic has a different taste. So now I'm going to add some of the coconut milk. So that I can start or soft. You see the pieces of dark unburnt garlic. I personally like burnt garlic, so when I do curry, so I don't mind that. But it's up to what state you think you can handle. But I don't mind the garlic being burnt fully because I just like that flavor that it gives off. Yes, those are pieces of garlic. I'm going to add some scallion that I had previously cut up. And I'm going to add some hot pepper, not a lot, but I like to keep the seeds in because I like that extra oomph of heat or spiciness. Remember, this is my attempt at this dish. me see how this turns out on my journey here. Just make it move around like this. And you see that creamy color? Yes, that's good. So right now I'm gonna just cover the pot, make it do its thing, which is just, you see, when you see that custard-ish kind of look, that's what we want. So I'm going to cover it just for 5 minutes. Well, it's been 5 minutes thus far, and it's coming on the way how I like it. Another reason why I use a Dutch pot is that a Dutch pot, after years and years of having one, it develops this flavor in it. I do not know, it's just what I've been told by my elders. So right now I'm going to be adding the chicken to this. Let me see the oiling. And I'm just going to stir it just to make it be evenly distributed around the pot. And here I go and close the pot again so that it can start cooking the chicken. And I'm going to just reduce the heat so that it can really cook. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to be cooking the pasta in another pot. So as you see, the water is boiling right now. I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. Again, whatever kind of oil you like. I personally prefer to use olive oil, but olive oil is expensive, so I just use my basic vegetable oil. And I'm going to salt my water from now. And I'm going to add in a pack of fusilini. Sorry for that noise, but that's good noise, that's food noise. So I'm just going to cover it up and make that go on. I'm checking it back on my thing. I'm adding just a little bit of thyme leaves to it, which that is just a good flavor to add. So as you see, it's coming on, and you see the custard is kind of forming, but at the same time still have enough liquid, which I really do need the liquid because I'm cooking my pasta to be a little al dente, because the pasta is going to go into this. So I'm going to just move this around, and also I'm going to add my onions, which I have previously prepared. Just one whole onion. Because this is a very quick meal, it will take 1 to 2 hours to prepare. I have now turned up at the heat, or the flames, whichever one you do, depending on what kind of stove you have. I currently have a gas stove, so if you have an electric stove, I guess you turn up the heat. I'm going to add a little sweet pepper and some carrots to it now that I previously cut up. Look at that, it's beautiful. I'm just going to add a whole different dimension to it because the carrots have a little sweet flavor, which that's good. So again, I'm just going to cover this up. My pasta is going on in that pot and I'm going to check it. But I'm going to close this and make this cook down for half an hour. I'm going to drain my pasta, run it under some cold water so that it doesn't stick, even though that's what the oil in there is for it not to stick while it cooks. But I'm going to drain it and I'm going to run it under some cold water or just regular tap water. It has now been a little bit over half an hour that my chicken has been cooking and we have good liquid here. So now I'm going to add my pasta to it. And I'm going to add just a little bit of turmeric powder on top. And turmeric is a healthy spice, so that's enough right there. And then just combine the two together so that my pasta will be able to be coated. And then I'm just going to cover it up for the next 10 to 20 minutes and check back soon. We'll be back shortly. But look, it looks beautiful, right? It's now my favorite time. It's time to plate up this lovely meal. Ooh, you see it? Everything's cooked. It's bad. It's gonna taste really good. And so this is what I'm gonna taste. Just the right amount of spice. But thank you for joining Suburban Girl on this attempt at a chicken curry coconut pasta. Thank you. If you have any questions, just comment below and follow me at the link below in the description. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day and keep safe out there. Bye bye.